Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore, the sales support and development point for Bricsys in India. I'm coming to you with a special message. If you have not upgraded to Bricsys V26, please do so. This is a message to all our existing Bricsys users who may be on the older version. There are two important reasons for this. The first one is that there is an incredible promo offer which is going on, which is valid till December 31st, 2025. And this will enable you to upgrade at a price which is about 50% discounted from the normal price. The second reason why you should consider Bricsys V26 is that this new release is completely different from what you have seen before. It features a sleek and modern user interface that is so comfortable and smooth flowing that you will hardly realize that you are working on a different platform. The first thing that will strike you when you start opening Bricsys V26 is the modern intuitive user interface that allows you to use the software with almost no training. So if you are still sitting on the fence, please upgrade to Bricsys V26, reach out to us for the incredible offers that we have, and we would like to see you on board with the current version. Thank you.